What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek construction update. Yesterday we brought you the very first test run, and we're back again with hopes it's going to do it again. Ticket booths are a little bit busy, and that's to be expected because today is concert day. We have Ludacris in town, but parking wasn't bad. We did have to park kind of far out, but at least found a spot up here at the turnstiles. Does not look bad. All right, well, that's kind of cool. They had the self-service kiosk for scanning your ticket to get in. The employee basically, once you scan your ticket, he looks at the photo and says, yep, that's you. But was able to use that today. That's kind of neat. Beautiful day, somewhere in the low 80s, maybe mid 80s. Cloudy, a little bit of a breeze. Pink chickens! I'll get to you later. So yesterday when we were here, they were doing some testing on the second launch. We talked about it a little bit in our last video, but basically they did the first test with the first launch earlier in the day, and then we saw the back and forth motion, and finally it made it through, but it crawled through that turn. But that's normal. That's a part of launch testing. You build up enough momentum to find out what's actually a good launch speed and then send it over. All right, here we are. Penguin Trek watch. Manta right above us. Got the turn over here. Man, I really hope to see it over here. It'd look awesome. Over here next to JTA, we can see the building has been wrapped, and we still have work walls up. I'm really hoping these will be coming down very soon in the next week or two. Maybe a little bit longer. We'll see just how with everything goes, but man, I want to walk through this area already. Got a little better view over here. We have barricades blocking off the area that goes to the sea lion and otters. But yeah, fingers crossed, we'll see some testing.
It's running. He's gonna give my son a free go.
Well, this is awesome. The pathway for the Sea Lion Otter Stadium just opened up, and we're walking up here. Hopefully gonna get some awesome views. right, so from that last run, we saw a full, complete run. We're talking from the first launch all the way through the second and into the brakes, and no stopping in between. That's awesome. Something tells me the Ludacris concert is a little busy tonight. Yet another successful day of testing, and I told you I'd be back for you, my pink chickens. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek testing. And we saw well over 10 runs today. They were doing some stopping on the second launch for a little bit and then launching again. And then finally, towards the end of the day, they're doing full course runs with zero hesitation and stops. Exciting stuff, and we know they're going to be doing a lot more testing over the next couple weeks. We're going to have plenty more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.